Hi guys! In this video, I'm excited to share with you the Workflow Manager in CodeWrite. This section will show you the list of all converted codes in the system, and the best thing about it is you can track your jobs by working from left to right. Once your job is already in the workflow, you can schedule measures here, depending on the splits you've set up. The measure sheets are also available here, which you can print out or email to your installers. Once this action is completed, you may revise the order with the updated measurements, reprise the order if needed, and lock it if you prefer to leave it untouched. Then in this tab, you can monitor the supplier orders that are still pending and those that were already processed. This will also allow you to place orders via email to the suppliers, either in PDF or in Excel forms, whichever is necessary. So once you've placed the orders, you can keep tabs on the arrival of the products by clicking on this tab. If they are already past their ETA, you may amend the date upon coordinating this with the supplier. After receiving the orders, you may arrange and complete the installation under this tab. You have the ability to book installs here and generate install sheets to be sent out to your supplier. Apart from all of that, we also have here the Payments tab, where you can add final payments and easily see which customers owe you money. When you process payments and invoices, you can also set them up to sync through your accounting software. Finally, the last tab we have here will show you the current status of your job. You can modify the custom statuses here. But if you wish to close the job, you may select Completed, Ready to Archive. And it will give you the option to archive the whole order. In conclusion, Workflow Manager is a one-page for you to monitor your completed, pending, and outstanding jobs and ensure you're on track with the orders. I hope you've learned something new in this video. You can check our other videos to learn more about Workflow Manager and other functions in CodeWrite.